everybody, and welcome to Enriching Environments. And this evening is the first episode of the Enriching Environments podcast for 2024. You may have noticed that last year in 2023 that I did lots and lots of collaborations, was guests on other podcasts, and did about a handful of my own here on the Enriching Environments channel. But this year I am moving back to my own channel and having guests on and putting the focus back here. So thank you so much for being with me. And for our first topic of 2024, this is really exciting because we are launching the Embodied Parenting Weekend Retreats here in person in the UAE for the first time across our beautiful region that we have here. We are going to be combining 5-star luxury in this gorgeous boutique style hotel. We are going to be incorporating yoga, meditation, sound healing, breath work, all for beginners. You don't need to be an expert, you don't need to have any knowledge about any of those practices at all. And we're going to be incorporating embodied parenting to help you understand yourself, understand your children, understand where you are in your parenting journey, go deeper within yourself, and really nourish, rejuvenate, elevate, grow, expand, all of those important things that we need to do. So the things that you need to know are, number one, the location. So the location I've chosen for these Embodied Parenting Weekend Retreats is Zoya Health and Wellness Resort, which is in Ajman. It's just by the Ajman mangroves. Actually, it overlooks the mangroves. So it's got this sensational view of the mangroves, and the rooms that are included in our retreat, in our package, overlook the mangroves, so overlook the pool and the mangroves. So that's the first thing I'd like to tell you. The location is sensational, really peaceful, really quiet. It's an adults only resort. So we're going to be there in this container, all of us together. We're going to, for the first launch of these retreats, they're going to be mothers only. So this is embodied parenting, but they are mothers retreats, and we've got a whole host of services and activities to support us as mothers. But that's what you need to know. No children will be on the resort. It's an adults only resort, and mothers only within our retreat, within our group. It's a 5-star resort, Zoya, and it's, when I first went there, the feeling I had above everything else was of calm. It is the perfect space to nourish ourselves, to get to know ourselves, to have the rest that we need, to have the rejuvenation that we need. And so on this weekend that we're going to go on together, the other thing I need to tell you about is the food. The food is, so the services, the package that we are offering at Zoya is a full board, and including all of the activities, so including the yoga, the meditation, the breath work. You can hire bikes there, they're included as part of our stay, so you can go on a little tour around the mangroves if you'd like to as well, just cycle around where the location, the area. So the yoga, the meditation, the bikes, the sound healing, and full board, so breakfast, lunch and dinner. And I need to tell you about the food. The food is, I think, sensational. I've already used the word sensational, but I'm going to use the word sensational again. The food is nutrient dense. There's every option possible in terms of if you're vegetarian, if you're vegan, if you're gluten-free. There is every option, but as part of the standard menu. No one's going to try and charge you a supplement for a gluten-free dish, or for, an almond milk in your smoothie, or the type of extras that we're used to in packages. All of the nutrient dense food, the standard menu has all of these different options: high protein options, keto options, vegan options. All of those are part of the standard menu. Myself, I am a vegetarian and with no egg, and the food I cannot recommend more highly in terms of delicious, really, really plentiful, and lots of really, really incredible options and interesting dishes from around the world as well. There's a lot of Arabic influence. There was a palak dish I had with these little lentil burgers that was just so divine. I would have it every single day for the rest of my life if I could. The smoothies also, that's really important to note that on the full board option you get a smoothie or a juice with each meal as well. And again, those are there's also, everything's refined sugar free. That's really important to say as well. Refined sugar free. It's a no alcohol resort. So when we get there, we are having the whole package. We have an opportunity to reset our system. And part of the resetting of our system, which is a really important piece I want to add, I want to let you know about, is we are also, each of us, going to be having body analysis and a nutrition consultant from the